Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I came with the good topic, interesting topic, microcontroller versus microprocessors. Then what is the difference between microcontroller and microprocessor? That is we'll discuss today. As I promised, I have prepared the good content about this topic. And then today we'll give the complete guidance about the microcontroller versus microprocessors. Okay, today we'll discuss this topic very briefly. Okay, then what is microprocessors? Okay, first we'll small introduction. Have you ever wondered what is inside the washing machine, or a car ECU, or a laptop, or a smartphone that allows it to process information and control different functions? And have you wondered why some systems use microcontrollers while others use a microprocessor? In this video, we are going to understand the difference between a microcontroller and microprocessor from the basics with architecture, memory, peripherals, performance, and real-time systems, automotive examples, and even cybersecurity also we'll discuss. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand where microcontroller unit, microprocessor unit, and even SoC system on chip fit into the modern embedded systems. Okay, then we'll go. First, this is the agenda. Then, what is the microcontroller? Before going to that one, here what we are going to cover. First, we'll understand what is a microcontroller. Then we'll understand what is a microprocessor, and is after that you will compare this architecture, memory, uh, power consumptions, everything. Finally, we'll discuss the microcontroller versus microprocessors versus SoC system on chip, career related and interview questions and quiz. We'll discuss. Okay. First, we'll discuss what is the microprocessor. Anybody have idea? Let's start with the microprocessor. Then a microprocessor is a primarily a processing unit or CPU implemented on a chip. In a typical microprocessor based systems, the processor works together with other systems components such as RAM, storage, and I/O. Okay, think of the microprocessor as the brain of the systems, while many supporting components are provided separately. Simple explanation. So, a simple way to remember it is microprocessor equals processing core plus external and system level resource. This simple microprocessor means the processing core and external system level resources. These are the examples. Different microprocessors is the Intel Core, AMD, Ryzen, ARM Cortex A family. These are the different microprocessors will be there. I hope you understand what is the basic definitions of the microprocessor. Then we'll discuss about the microcontroller. What is a microcontroller? Now let's look the microcontroller. The microcontroller integrate CPU, core, memory, and peripherals into a single chip. single chip or one chip. Depending on the microcontroller, you can find flash memory, SRAM, GPIO, timers, ADC, communication interfaces, interrupts, controllers, and many other peripherals you can find. This makes the microcontroller extremely useful for dedicated embedded controller applications. Say clearly means microcontroller equals CPU plus memory plus peripherals on one single chip. Simple, simple understanding. Microcontroller means CPU will be there. CPU means the microprocessor will be there, and memory peripherals on a single chip. Examples: STMA, STM32, NX, NXP, Infineon, RX, Renan, Renan's Peak, and 8051. Different microcontrollers will be there.